Okay, we're at 176 High Knob. I'm going to do an exterior video first. Because I live in this town, I happen to know the neighborhood quite well. It's really probably one of the most desirable streets in town. So it's a nice area, little quiet little residential neighborhood. But siding all looks good. The roof looks great, almost looks new. Take you around. The yard is a good, these are 1 acre lots up here, so the yard's a good size. I didn't look at the listing. I'm not sure if this is exactly 1 acre, but that's what's required to build here. So a lot of open space. Siding looks good here too. Nice clearance on the foundation. Bulkhead looks nice, all painted. Not seeing any. There's a few pieces of siding. I don't know if you can see in the video. It's starting to pull away a little bit. It looks like vinyl, but it's not. It's wood. Just gonna come around here. You can see the neighbors are fairly close, but there is a woods buffer. I'm going to shut this off and do a second video in the house.